Everyone, welcome back. It's very weird to say this honestly. Trust me, after sitting in front of a camera after 6 freaking months and just shooting a video for you guys, it's very touchy, but it's very weird at the same time because 6 months तक कुछ posting कुछ भी नहीं था YouTube पे, and I'm very sorry about it. But I am back finally, fingers crossed, and I'm really excited. I'm really happy for it. So today's video is going to be very chilled, relaxed. I'm just gonna sit here, do my makeup, talk to you guys, and tell you what exactly happened. Why I was absent? Why I was absent for the past 6 months? And you can see my face is also swollen quite a bit because I don't know why, but sorry for that. आज ही थोड़ा मुंह फूला हुआ सा है. But anyways, I am hoping you guys would enjoy this video. If you are someone who are looking me for the very first time, it will really mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel and support me through my journey. And yeah, if you want to know what look I create, please keep on watching. Start off with any look like I always do. I'm just gonna pin my hair back so that I don't have anything in front of my face like so. And I'm just gonna take some wet wipes. I'm just gonna wipe my face. I've got these nail extensions like after ages, especially that I had to sit down and film for you guys, so I needed to look thoda sa presentable. So anyways, so I'm just gonna clean my face. Over here in Mumbai, it is so hot because of the rains that has been falling. एक तो irregular बारिश हो रही है यहाँ मुंबई में, उसकी वजह से गर्मी इतनी बढ़ चुकी है जिसकी कोई हिसाब नहीं है. I can't really tell you how hot it is over here in Mumbai. ऊपर से मेरे eyebrows भी नहीं बने हुए. Excellent. You see how excited I am today. I was like, in the morning when I woke up, I was like, I miss filming for my YouTube channel, so I really wanted to sit down and start filming. And my mom was also like, why don't you start filming your YouTube videos again? You were having so much fun, you were happier when you were posting videos and all that stuff. But I was like, I don't know. Then I was thinking about it all afternoon. I tried shooting in the afternoon as well, but because of some problems I couldn't. But then now I am back and I hope this works out. Okay, so the face is nicely cleaned. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. So I'm just going to use this Garnier Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C Boost Serum. I got this from Nykaa a couple of months back, and I just thought of trying it out. It's a smaller packaging, and so far I'm really liking it. It's basically more like a serum, hydrator, moisturizer kind of a stuff. Perfect for people who have oily skin. I have oily to combination skin, so I really like this. Okay, so as I was saying, like why I have not been posting videos on YouTube, there is only one specific reason for that. It's because whenever I just sit down and shoot videos and put content and I like give my 100%, और मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं videos like 1-2 साल से या 3-4 साल से बना रही हूँ. It's been ever since I started my college when I was in 12th, when I've completed my 12th, तब से मैं videos बना रही हूँ. But then the response that I was getting was something which was very demotivating. I know इतनी जल्दी हार नहीं माना होता. YouTube is a very big platform. You have a lot of competitions and stuff like that. But sometimes I feel like if you're putting your 100% in any specific videos, I feel there should be something like even at least 10% भी लोग अगर आपको appreciate. I'm not saying that people have not appreciated me for my work. They have, and there are many people, and touch wood, I'm very happy and very lucky to have them on my YouTube family. But still sometimes I feel like दूसरे लोग content कर रहे हैं, मेरा भी content, मतलब I'm not comparing myself, it's just that the competition is so high and I just feel demotivated कि भाई मुझे क्यों इतना response नहीं मिल रहा है. मैं मेरा 100% डाल रही हूँ. So just my mom explained. Anyways, I'm really sorry. I used my Swiss Beauty concealer. This is a darker shade actually, to hide my dark circles and my pigmented areas. And I'm just using my Color Bar concealer in the shade 02 just to hide and use it as a foundation. I don't really use a lot of foundation and everything on day-to-day basis, because my skin has been acting very weird. It's very sensitive nowadays. And then to set this, I'm just gonna use some Fix Plus, set it on my face like so, and I'm just gonna blend. So as I was saying, then the whole thing, like the whole motivation for me shooting this video was my mother. She was like कि भाई देख, कंपटीशन तो होने ही वाला है, तो कुछ भी कर ले, कोई भी चीज़ में होने ही वाला है. So why do you want to feel demotivated? You are enjoying, shooting your videos. You are liking the way your content is going on. कभी ना कभी, आज नहीं तो कल, कभी ना कभी people are gonna appreciate your work and they will see how far you have come through. So rather than getting demotivated, it's better to enjoy doing what you love. And makeup is something that I have been dreaming of and going into further जब से I was a kid. जब भी मैंने मेरा 10th का बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म किया, और जो 10th और 11th का जो वेकेशन रहता ना, द टाइम पीरियड, that was my thing. I was like, dude, I'm going to go into makeup, और भाई उसको कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So yeah, that was the whole. As you guys can see, the base is done. You see how nice and glowy and very simple, and it's more like skin. Like if I come closer to you, you will still see my pigmentation and you'll still see my pores. But that's something that I really like about this particular technique and this base. And I added Fix Plus. You can add any fixing spray that you want, and I make sure that your base is not going anywhere. Okay, so the next thing that I am going to be doing is cream contouring my face. Lately I have been doing this technique that highlighted effect. You saw me earlier that I put my concealer over here and over here. So I do my cream first and then I switch on to the powder forms. So I'm going to take my Forever 52 concealing stick in the shade DS006, and I'm just gonna take my same beauty sponge, dab a little bit in the product like so, and I'm just gonna concentrate this like upwards. Usually we contour like this, right? So I'm just gonna concentrate it over here and then blend it out. You see how instantly it just lifts your face very fast. I really like this technique. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we will move on to the blush. For blush, I'm just going to be using this O2O Velvet Liquid Blush. I got this from Amazon, and the shade number is 03. It's more like a peachy pink nude blush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna mix that with my serum drops that I used earlier for my skin. So basically these drops will help it to impulsify the color more, if I make sense. मतलब थोड़ा पतला करेगा प्रोडक्ट को, as it is a cream product, तो थोड़ा पतला करने में मदद करता है. Okay, so I have the product over here and I'm just gonna put this product again upwards. I'm not gonna put it over here, I'm gonna put it upwards. You'll see. So I'm going upwards. So I place the product like so, and with the back of the sponge I blend it out. You see how instantly my face has given that lift and a little bit of blush and the color that you want. I really love this technique. I do this technique on my clients as well. They really love how the look comes out of that. Okay, now to set this thing in place, I am going to be using my PAC loose powder in the shade TL02. This is again very good powder. If you're looking for a loose powder, I would really suggest you using this, or you can always go for Fit Me, but ये थोड़ा dark है मेरे लिए, so I'm gonna use this. And I'm not going to use this product all over my face because I really like the glow that the serum has put on. So I'm taking a beauty blender which is a bit stiffed, it's not damp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip my product over here in this brush, in the sponge. I'm gonna take out the excess and I'm just gonna put this below my eyes just to set my eyes. so that there are no creases, and I'm gonna take this on my lid as well. तो जो भी concealer के जो भी creases होते हैं ना, it won't come out. You see, this is the look that I really love. ये मैंने टेक्निक कहाँ से सीखा था? I saw some celebrity on their those Vogue बाथरूम में जो लोग वीडियोस बनाते हैं ना, मेकअप वाले, स्किन केयर और वो सारे, मैंने उसमें सीखा था. I don't remember the celebrity, but this trick really works for me and I really okay like. So moving on to highlighters now. I'm going to be using my Nykaa highlighter. This is the Glow Goals Shimmering Brick in the shade Gold O Gold. So I'm just going to take a stippling brush. This is MAC 188. I'm just going to swirl it all over, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to brush so slightly. So using a stippling brush, what it does, it gives you a lot of control of the product. You can see जिधर भी मैं ब्रश घुमा रही हूँ वहाँ ही प्रोडक्ट जा रहा है. समटाइम्स वो फैन ब्रश है ना, मुझे थोड़ा वो लुक नहीं देता जो मुझे चाहिए. आई एम नॉट यूजुअली अ बिग फैन ऑफ फैन ब्रशेस, but using a stippling brush, it really works for my techniques that I do. So, and also I'm just gonna take it on my brow bone just to highlight my brow bone a little bit. So I'm just gonna take my Fix Plus again, and I'm just gonna spritz it went in my mouth. So I'm just gonna spritz it once again, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat it so my base is not going anywhere. This is a trick that I do on my clients, and I do it on myself also. I just poke myself in my eye, and I do this for myself also because I am a very oily person. थोड़ा भी मुझे पसीना आया ना, मेरा मेकअप निकल जाएगा. इसके लिए I do this on myself as well. And also there was one more thing that I really wanted to talk is I am going to post a lot of great different content. I have invested in a couple of things that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So I really hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, because I am going to kick my ass, and I'm just going to make sure that this time I work myself and I reach the goal that I really have in my mind. At least मुझे थोड़ा बड़ा family मिल जाए ना, मौज आ जाएगा. Okay, so we will move on to the eyes very quickly. For eyes, I don't do anything at all. I just use this mascara. This is the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. But before that, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes using a lash curler from Miniso. I'm just curling my lashes like so, and then I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Okay, so lastly for lips, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lip Cream in the shade 21. Don't worry, I will have all the product details listed in the description box below for you guys, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just gonna okay, so with that we come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching me after a very long time, because I really enjoyed filming and talking and sharing all the stuff that I just shared with you guys on my video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share as much as you can, subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. The names will be in the description box below with the products that I have used. And I have more and more amazing content planned for you, and I'm really excited, and fingers crossed you guys love the content. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, be safe, and I love you. Bye everyone.